you do today?
Here is my rubber duck.
Oh, hello. Okay, I will be. Wow, hello, Ducky. I will be asking that later on. Wow, it's so cute. All right, baby Rick, do you know how to take picture of that and send it to the group chat?
Yeah.
Okay, can you take a picture of your drawing and send it to the group chat, baby?
What?
Can you send it to the group chat? Okay, you
Wait for
can
me.
ask. Yes, baby, sure. You can ask your mom to take a picture of your drawing and send it to the group chat, okay?
For me. Where's
Yes,
my
baby.
book?
Yes, baby.
Where's, where's the photo tattoo?
Taka nagkuan pa ko dire. Unsang nagklase ko di, storya. Hello, baby Kai. Good morning. Good morning,
Picture.
baby Kai.
Good morning, picture.
All right, so baby Kai, just the same with Rick. I want you to take a picture of your. Did you do your assignment?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to take a picture and kindly send it to the group chat, baby.
No.
Just
I.
like baby Rick, okay? Take a picture of
Okay.
your assignment and send it to the group chat.
Wait.
Yes, yes, sure, baby. I will wait. Do you guys know how to take a picture?
Don't.
Okay, then also, oh, that's screen sharing.
Hmm.
Okay, take a picture and send it to the group chat. Do you know where is our group chat?
Yes.
Okay, it's on the messenger, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait a bit.
Okay, sure, sure, baby. Take your time, babies.
Okay. Yeah.
Then once you're done taking picture, nang delete pa ko kay puno kayo, app not installed. Na? Oh, what's that? Neo Kiddo. Is that Neo Kiddo? Okay, baby Kai, take a picture of your and send it to the group chat, baby.
Okay.
Okay, do you know how to take a screenshot? Okay, do you know how to take a picture? All right, and send it to the group chat, baby, okay? All right, do you know where is our group chat?
Yes. Okay.
All right, our group chat is in the messenger.
Wait.
Oh, whose screen is this? I can see some screen on the on our screen.
Come back.
Okay, sure, sure, baby.
My turn. You man.
All right, okay, that is for Kai. And how about baby Rick? Oh, no, no, that is Rick. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, did you take a picture of it already?
Yes.
I can see it on the screen, baby. Who's sharing the screen right now?
Red.
Okay,
Rick.
Rick. It's Rick. Okay, take a picture and send it to the group chat. Like this one. Okay, wait. I will take a picture. Just wait, baby. Okay, this is how you take your picture. So, for example, teacher is going to send this one. Okay, this is an example. That, so I am going to send this. Okay, this is an example on how you can send to the group chat. Okay. Okay. Can you
Okay.
see my screen? I will be sharing my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So as you can see, I share my screen and I send you a photo of my, I send you a photo of this one, of
Oh,
my
I'm
toy.
good.
It is a
I
Spider-Man toy. Can you see it?
yeah.
Okay, so this
My
is our group
name
chat, baby.
is
This is our group chat, and you are going to send it right here, okay? Okay, babies? All right, so are you ready? Oh, who sent the
yeah.
star?
It's Rick.
Oh, it's Rick. Okay, Rick, I want you to send your. Okay, take a picture and send it in the group chat, baby. Okay, take a picture, baby Rick. Take a picture, baby Kai.
Wait for
And then,
me.
okay, baby, sure, no problem. All right, and after that, you need to send it to the group chat. Hold on. Who sent the star on the group chat, baby? Someone sent the star. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, someone sent the star. Who is this?
Rick.
Oh, it's Rick.
Yes.
Okay, so after that, you can also share your picture. Do you know how to take picture?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, so later on, you can ask your parents to take a picture of your assignment, okay? Okay, babies, but for now, let's start with our class. So at this moment, we are going to draw, and talk about your friend. Use the words in the box to help. Okay, so baby Kai, are you there? Are you there, baby Kai? Lapit na. Are you there, baby na palang til? Hello? Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher will be playing the audio.
Page 23. Communicate. Speaking.
Communicate.
E. Draw and talk about your friend.
Okay,
Use the
draw
words in
and
the box to
talk
help.
about your
This is
friend.
Tim. He's my friend. He has a hamster. We play together.
Okay, so right, baby Kai and baby Rick, can you read it together? This is Tim.
It's a team.
Next.
I'm
Next.
drawing.
This is Tim. He is my
Team. He is 5 years old.
he is my friend.
Here's my friend. He
He
has
has
a hamster. We play
mm-hmm.
together. Play together.
All right. Okay, so now I want you to draw on the screen. I want you to draw your friend together the animal that you like. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I need you to draw. Oh, I cannot. Okay, can you draw on the screen, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to draw just like what you see in the picture. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, and you can start now. Baby Kai, please draw on the right side. And Baby Rick, please draw on the left side. Okay, again, Baby Kai, please draw at the right side. And then Baby Rick, please draw at the left side.
Yeah.
Ah, all right, very good. And put your name as well. Saging Lyra. Nanaalang na diha. All right, and also please draw. Napakita kung saan eh. Oh, di na to na mayog, di mo makitaan. Okay, and Baby Kai, please draw yours as well. Outside. Okay. Oh, black one. Oh, what happened? All right, okay. What happened, baby? Is everything okay?
Stop staring like this.
All right. Okay, who's drawing someone's drawing the screen. Can you draw your people and draw your pet already?
Oh.
Okay, can you do it now? Okay, can you try to do it again?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Naklase ko ni Kulay Saba. No. Next time, we will not going to buy.
Hey, 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 hey. Chloe, Kai.
Okay, next. Okay, can you draw it already, baby? Do not put black. Okay, try to have another color, baby. Oh, my voice is echoing in your end because you use two devices and all of the devices are. Oh, all right. So now please draw your friend and also the pet. Okay, who is that? Is that Kai or Rick? Ito konting margok so. Hindi naman maayo. Okay, is that Kai or baby Rick? Maglaro.
Kai.
Ito ni mo maglaro. Mabasa man, basahan ko na daw. Oo man. Okay, can you draw it already, babies?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, why did you put a lot of black? Oh, who is that? Is that Kai or Rick?
Rick.
Oh, what's that? Okay, I need you to draw, baby. Do not write anything, okay?
Okay.
Okay, just draw. Do not write anything aside from the drawing.
Okay.
Okay? All right, so that we can proceed to the next activity. Oh, it's another black. Pangita dito, Marco.
Wait.
Ito kang baby. Baby Margox. Okay. All right, who is that? Is that baby Kai or baby Rick? Okay. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, finish. Okay, so now let's continue writing study. Okay, so in the writing study, we have learned capitals for names. The first letter of the names is a capital letter. Okay, can you write your name, baby Kai and baby Rick, in the screen? Okay, can you write your name? Hello, can you write your name? Oh, no. Just your name, baby. Do not write anything else. Okay, just your name. Can you write your name?
Wait.
Okay, baby Kai and baby Rick, write your name. Pagduwa sa mo dito, banana mo ka diri, nag-atang. Pabi, pagdali. Napakita da. Okay, write your name, baby Kai and baby Rick, in the screen.
Wait a little bit and I will write.
Okay. All right, it's okay if you do not put black on it. Just, okay, Hong Bak Kai. Okay, how about you, baby Rick? Write your name.
Wait.
Okay, how about you, baby Kai? I mean, baby Rick. Write your name, baby.
Hey. Please write mine.
Oh, what's that? How about you, baby Rick? Write your name. You haven't write your name, baby. Ihatag sa na niya. Dong, ihatag sa niya ba? Nagklase pa ko. Ihatag ba? Ano? Ihatag sa kay nagklase pa ko. 2, 3. Labay ko na. Ihatag sa kay nagklase ko para magpuyo. Okay, how about you, baby Rick? Oh, what's that ba? Nagklase pa ko. Okay, baby Rick, you did not write your name yet. Kai is already done. How about you, baby Rick?
Wait.
Okay. Oh, Hong Bak Kai. Okay, how about you, baby Rick? Yatag na niya ba? Basag imong gida, Margok. Sasa man ron duaan? Okay, how about you, baby Rick? Write your name. Ihatag. Gipasunod-sunod yun ko. Gipasunod-sunod yun ko. Yung ko, gipahuwam sa kadiyot. Yung ko, ipahuwam sa kadiyot. All right, very good. Okay, so now let's proceed. The first letter of a name is a capital letter. Okay, so now which letters need to be capital letters and circle? All right, baby Kai and baby Rick. Baby Kai wants you to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, and baby Rick 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Okay. Okay, baby Kai, I want you to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, and baby Rick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Four numbers each. Which letters need to be capital letter? Okay, and circle. Okay, how about number 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8? All right, sister, are you going to capitalize the word sister, baby?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, just the letter, baby, not the word. Oh, why is that so big? Who do that? Is this Sky or baby Rick?
Okay.
Oh, Kai?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to circle the big letters into S. And then we also have my, Mandy, and we also have Titi and Kim. All of the names needs to be capitalized, okay? But when we say my grandma, family, my sister, and friend, there are no needs to capital those first letter. Okay, baby Kai and baby Rick? Okay, all right. So for today, baby Kai, I will give you an assignment. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so for assignment, I want you to record yourself one by one. Okay, for Kai, I want you to record yourself. How was that? Is that your baby brother? I can see your baby brother in my screen. Is that a picture or a video?
Is that a picture?
Oh. All right, baby Kai and baby Rick, assignment. Please record yourself. And then, okay, are you guys listening? Okay, once again, record yourself. Introduce yourself. You can say, hello, my name is Kai. You can say, hello, teacher Mary. My name is Kai. And you need to say, what do you like about our class, okay? You're going to say any good feedback or bad feedback to teacher. Okay? All right, so for today, baby Kai and baby Rick, thank you so much. See you again tomorrow. Okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye.